Hi everybody, this is a quick solution if you're having a problem with the Nvidia app. Either you're having problem downloading the latest Nvidia driver or downloading one of the apps and there was a problem downloading. In this case, I'm trying to download Project GSys, but I can't, it throws an error. Just know this is just what worked for me. There are other options. So go to C, Program Data. Now keep in mind, I change permission. I take no responsibility here. Do this at your own risk. So I double click the NVIDIA Corporation folder to open this folder. Then I right click on NVIDIA app and choose Properties. Then click the Security tab. Then click Users and then click the Edit button. Here click Users and make sure that full control is selected. Then click the Apply button and then the OK button to close the window. And OK again for the other window beneath it. Now launch the NVIDIA app and everything should be fine, downloading drivers or downloading the apps within the discovery section and so on. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching.